It was all hands on deck after 3 rural grass fires broke out over the course of 24 hours this weekend in Manitoba. 2 fires occurred in the city, one near Fermor and the Perimeter, and the second near Sturgeon Road. Third fire just southwest of Powerview, Pine Falls, destroyed a bridge and an ATV trail southwest of Powerview, Pine Falls. Now that the snow is gone, it's officially wildfire season. Joining us now from the Climate Change Connection is Curt Hull. Good morning, Curt. Thanks for joining us.
Good to be here.
While I have you, kind of explain to our viewers what you guys do there.
Climate Change Connection is a nonprofit charity that seeks to educate Manitobans about climate change and to help work with other organizations and on solution to the climate crisis.
So when you see like the recent weekend fires, what does that ignite in you guys? What's the temperature of the room there?
Well, unfortunately, it's just confirmation of the kinds of scenarios that we've been anticipating because of the fact that the planet is warming. And Manitoba, in fact, is warming at about twice the rate of the global average. And with that warming has come a trend of hotter summers, drier summers. And with changes in precipitation as well, we're seeing more severe precipitation events rather than the long, slow, soaking kinds of rainfall. So the drying is something that's been anticipated by the models for some time.
And I say this with respect as well. You are not the scientists. You're relying on resources such as the Prairie Climate Center here in Manitoba, which recently received some more funding. So tell us a little bit about those relationships and how they help you guys.
Absolutely. We have to base what we tell people, what we educate people on, based on science and scientific approach to solving these problems. So Dr. Danny Blair at the Prairie Climate Center and the Climate Atlas is a very valuable tool for this kind of insight. Other scientists, when it comes to wildfires and forest fires, Dr. Mike Flanagan from Alberta, University of Alberta, is an expert on this kind of thing and has studied it extensively. So it's a good to go to places of credibility to get your information.
And now climate change, even a federal election issue. Many Manitobans passionate about this, but perhaps sitting watching right now going, what do I do? How do I help? From your vantage point, what's the answer?
Well, for one thing, I mean, don't take it upon yourself. It's not your fault solely. This is a systemic problem, and it's due to the systems that we have in place that we rely on. That primarily, it's the things that we do that rely on fossil fuels for our energy. So we need to get away from our reliance on those things. And that starts personally, so do what you can to reduce your dependence on gasoline and diesel, and do what you can to make your home as efficient as possible for the heating and the energy usage. And another thing that we may not think about, and that's what we consume, our consumption. Every time we buy something that we don't really need and that comes from halfway around the world and we wind up throwing it in the landfill, there's a great deal of energy and fossil fuel burning that goes along with that kind of thing. So that's something that we've all got control over, is what we consume.
So much to think about. Thank you so much. And sticking with Earth Week as well while it's top of mind. Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks, Ainsley.